I don't know if it looks weird, but it's so easy to look at you and not here. Like, it's just so weird. So today is going to be filmed with an iPhone. I'm not done with business, but we're going to work out. Dennis sudi ausliminama sinaqingit sudi sisamissaan sudi aussassoorput. Another quick training montage. Again, the view. One more time, the view. Must be a better way. Fitness gear. So let's teleport. Oh, there is a better way. Wait, how did we get here? Let's do legs today. Wait a minute. I can barely walk. Let's go get them.
Oh, hi.
Okay, too much stuff, but there must be a better way. Okay, we are back. But I think it has something to do with.
No.
Huh.
Oh, hey. Hi.
No.
Yeah.
I still haven't edited the vlog for some reason. And Dennis Dennis I'm really sorry about that, Dennis. I'm really sorry. But I hit up with it. And Kanami to me to return with but if you remember the vlog from by the time it comes, so something like that. Then but mail feedback. Cirka. So and we become Really appreciate that. Täällä ennestään when it I think we're gonna have very fantastic salsa bhaji ollongnerluta. It's awesome. Wait, can I balance these two? No, let me. Kamera tayo. Pas na siyang ito kasi.
No, I'm eating.
Oh yeah!